the Suzuki Gixxer 150 Fi. Para sa'yo ba tong bike na to? Then let's find out. Suzuki Gixxer has 155cc displacement, its length of 2050 mm, width of 785 mm, height at 1030 mm, wheelbase of 1330 mm, and ground clearance at 160 mm, gives you no sweat sa mga malulubak na daan. Fuel tank capacity of 12 liters gives you more distance for your adventure. While its dry weight is around 135 kilos, its curb weight is around 140 kilos, especially kapag nagpa-full tank ka. And its full tank price runs around 600 to 800 pesos. Depende na rin yan sa gas station na pinagasan mo. Trinay ko magpagas kanina and it was around 600 pesos sa akin. I think it's around 10 liters yung pinuno niya and reserve yata yung 2 liters. Its valve configuration is single overhead cam and its maximum torque is at 6,000 RPM. Kayang-kaya natin mag-overtake, pero as a reminder as well, let's ride safer. Maximum power is at 13.9 horsepower and its cooling system is air-cooled. So maraming nagtatanong no kung hindi ba ito natirik sa daan, hindi ba ito nag-overheat or any experience na regarding sa cooling system natin. I'll tell you honestly, wala. Meron nga lang siyang mainit na buga kapag naglo-long ride tayo but nonetheless, hindi ako pinahiya nito sa daan. Its 41mm of fork gives you that masculine big cc bike na feel. Itong tindig na to is kapareho ng Kawasaki Ninja 400. Masasabi talaga natin na ito ang isa sa reason bakit mukha siyang big bike. One of the reasons bakit mukha din tong big bike because of its tires, which is 100 by 80 by 17 sa harap and 140 by 60 by 17 naman sa likod. Gearbox natin is 5-speed manual transmission. Both front and rear are disc brakes. Meron din siyang dalawang libreng mudguard sa likod natin, pero if di mo siya trip, pwede mo itong tanggalin. Mas magmumukha talaga siyang big bike dahil para siyang naka-naked sports. The way of starting the engine is through push start, and just wanna let you know na wala siyang kickstart. Pero makikita naman natin na after 2 years, wala naman tayong palya sa battery. So that's doing good. And one of the best na nagustuhan ko dito is kanyang console dashboard which has digital panel screen. Nagustuhan ko to kasi sa Honda RS125 ko, naka-analog lang siya and I appreciate it pa rin naman kasi meron din naman yung mga gearing. However, napangganda nito kasi meron siyang odometer, speedometer, trip meter, meron din siyang trip A and trip B, meron siyang fuel gauge, time, and oil change indicator. Wala nga lang side stand indicator tsaka battery indicator. Kung mas dedeman mo pa, wala din siyang Bluetooth connectivity. However, napaganda na nun, napakasulit na nun if we're trying to look like big bike. And last but not the least na gusto ko dito is ang kanyang 0.8 liters for oil change. Napakatipid and napakasulit sa mukhang big bike na binili mo. Suzuki's statement about gas consumption was around 48 kilometers per liter. However, yung actual experience ko is around 30 to 45 kilometers per liter. So, depende na nata yun sa pag-drive natin, paano natin pigayan yung silinyador, or paano tayo magpatakbo. So, here's the price. Nabili ko tong bike na to around 93,900 pa. It was year around 2021. But when inflation came, it is now priced around 100,900 pesos. Depende pa rin yan sa moto dealers na malapit sa inyo. So, should you buy this bike? Even though 5 gears lang ito, although wala tong ABS, although wala siyang battery indicator, although wala itong kickstart, bibilhin mo pa rin ba ito? To tell you honestly, mas marami pang bike na mas maganda din ng kaniyang presyo sa kaniyang features na naibibigay. Such as Suzuki Bergman, Honda Click, Yamaha Fazio, and any 125cc bikes na napakaganda ng may offer niya sa'yo. And meron din siyang comfortability pag rina-ride mo. Kapag naman nag-scooter ka at 150cc segment, meron tayong Aerox tsaka NMAX. Meron din tayong Honda ADV, but their price is a lot higher na. So, this 150cc motorcycle gives you that sweet spot na parang nakaride ka na rin ng big bike at pwede mo na rin tong pagpraktisan bago mag-upgrade into higher cc. So, for me, it's still a yes. Napakagandang option nito para mag-start as my daily city drive. Practice na rin para mag-upgrade soon sa mga higher cc bikes. Now, if you'd ask which should I buy, depende pa rin yun sa gusto mo. Sa akin, parang gusto ka na rin kasing pang araw-araw na scooter, which is pasok talaga sa parang puso ko ngayon, isang Suzuki Bergman kasi malaki yung utility box niya. Pwede mo rin lagyan ng top box. Maganda yon for camping, let's say, or moto camp. Pwede rin mag Yamaha Fazio, which is classic, mukhang Vespa. May nakita ako na pinalitan niya into matte black yung motorcycle niya, and yun, napakaganda na. Parang swak na talaga. But as of the moment na nagpa-practice tayo para mag big bike soon, then this bike is the best bike for me na pwede nating pag-practicean. So if you find this video helpful, meaningful, or valuable, please do something for me. I want you to subscribe in my channel, like this video, and make a comment about your thoughts on how you could also help the community na makakapagbasa nito. Again, let's always remember na kahit anumang mga pinagdadaan natin, kahit anumang lubak na pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, let's not forget that we will eventually get there.